Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to get voice chat on Roblox. So first, when you open your Roblox right here on your Google Chrome or maybe on your apps, so all you need to do is go to roblox.com, then go to homepage, and then tap this or click these settings right here at the top right corner. And then here on settings right here, so click this one and you will find the my settings options. So you can see here account info, your display name, username, password. You can also open this on your mobile app actually, so it's the same. So when you open this mobile app, so for example, as you can see on your screen, all you need to do is tap the settings at the top beside the bell icon and go ahead and tap these settings and tap this account info at the top. So you can notice that it's the same as your desktop. So go back to our desktop right here. Now if you want to use your voice chat on Roblox, you need to verify your age. So just tap this verify my age and then verify your account using your email. And then here identity verification, you need to prepare a valid ID and use a smartphone. You need to scan the QR code right here with your camera up to begin. So for example, I'll open my mobile right here and I have a QR generator. So as you can see, I have to scan this QR code and then tap this link right here. And I can now directly go to Roblox account. So as you can see here, you just wait for a few seconds right here and let's get you verified. So prepare a valid government issued ID, make sure you are in room and prepare to take a selfie. So if you're ready, now tap this let's go. So wait for a few seconds. Now once you've done verifying your ID and your selfie, it was now verified your account. So go to privacy right here. And then you can now enable voice chat right here. So you can toggle this on so you can use that voice chat on your Roblox when you are playing. So just click that enable and save it successfully. So when you go back to your game, you can now use your voice chat on Roblox. So that's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.